Hello guys, welcome to this complete introduction of Shopify Odoo Connector. In this video, we will show you how to connect your Shopify store with Odoo and demonstrate powerful features like import, export, customer scan and order synchronization. Whether you want to export product from Odoo to Shopify or import them other way, this connector makes the entire process seamless and effective. Let's begin by configuring the Shopify store connection. Navigate to Shopify connector module in Odoo and create new Shopify store instance. Enter the required store information including the Shopify store URL. Generate or obtain the Shopify admin API access token from your Shopify store. Copy the access token and paste it into the access token field in Odoo. This token enables secure communication between Odoo and Shopify. Click on Test Connection. Once all required details have been entered, the connector validates the credential and verifies communication with the Shopify store. Save the configuration. After the successful connection, your Shopify store is now connected with Odoo and ready for synchronization. Product export. Now let's export a product from Odoo to Shopify. Navigate to Product menu and open the product you wish to publish to Shopify. Review the product information, including product name, pricing, SKU, inventory details, and product description. Click on the Export to Shopify action. Once the product information is ready, the connector immediately sends the selected product data to Shopify. Verification in Shopify. After the export is completed, switch to the Shopify admin panel. Open the product section. Here you can see the newly exported product available in Shopify. Verify the product information, product details, pricing, and inventory related information have been successfully synchronized from Odoo, confirming that the product export process is completed. Creating a product in Shopify. Let's begin Shopify to create new product. Enter the product information including the product name, description, pricing details, inventory settings, and product image. Save the product. Once all the requirement information have been entered, the product is now successfully available in Shopify store and ready for synchronization. Importing product into Odoo. Now let's switch to Odoo. Navigate to Shopify connector and select the Shopify store instance from which you want to import product. During synchronization, product details such as name, SKU, pricing information, image, variants, and inventory related data are automatically imported into Odoo. Export product from Odoo to Shopify using domain-based filter. Navigate to Shopify connector configuration and open the product export section. Define a domain that automatically identify product matching specific criteria rather than selecting product manually. This approach is particularly useful when export large product catalogs or automatically synchronize process. Let's create a customer in Shopify. Navigate to customer section in Shopify and create new customer record. Enter the required customer details including customer name, email address, phone number, and any additional information. Save the customer record. The customer is now available in Shopify and ready for synchronization with Odoo. Import customer from Shopify to Odoo. Open the Shopify connector and select the appropriate Shopify store instance. Click on the import customer. The connector communicates with the Shopify and retrieves the latest customer information. Navigate to contact module. Once the synchronization process is completed, here you can see that the customer created in Shopify has been successfully imported into Odoo. The connector maintains the mapping between Shopify and Odoo records, ensuring future updates and remains synchronized. Cancel order in Shopify. Next, let's see how order cancellation synchronize works. Open the order in Shopify and proceed with the cancellation process. Confirm the cancellation. The order status is now updated in Shopify.